Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna show you a freshly painted shell, and also we're gonna put things back together. So have a look at it and enjoy. So we have freshly painted shell, which is very nice and fresh. I'm really happy with the finish. And the bars are actually refreshed as well, but they covered for the time being. And we have new sills done. Now it's actually our first time doing this job, but they look really good. I give it a very thick coat inside. We will be removing this aluminium foil from the back. I'm gonna leave the bars for now, for the time being of work and stuff, because we're gonna go in and out many times. And we're gonna remove them and we start putting stuff into the back of the car and seat and all. So yeah. All the back suspension ready. He cleaned it off, he power washes. We are about to put that back up into the car because it's taken so much room, so we want to start from this. And we also gonna put the front suspension back up, and we can actually start even rolling the car if we want to. We will have to change this one, but we're waiting for the delivery. That was welded on the track. We had a little bit of contact with our good friend Eustace. Yeah, we have to improvise here with our welder. But the new stuff will be coming soon, and we're gonna change this one, so there's no point us attaching everything solid yet. Yeah, but I'm really happy that the things are start going back into the car. And today it's already like after 8 o'clock, so we better go home because there is work to do tomorrow as well. And I'll see you tomorrow with the front suspension and all back into the car. See you, Michael.
Bye.
Bye. What's up?
Well,
so it's another day of putting the car back together. Michael is there already, and we are putting the front subframe back up. And I have the radiator and fans ready for wash. I'm gonna remove the case first of all, and I gonna clean it off because from the previous experience I know the rubber bits and pieces getting in there. So I want to give it a quick rinse and then blow it with the pressure air, and we can put it back together. So we have front suspension done, it's finished. Michael actually tightened the last bolt, and now we can drop the car down. Alright, so right now we are gonna be sticking heat protection, gold foil we can call it. We are gonna be sticking this on the hot side of the car, which is here. There's exhaust manifold and downpipe and all, so this will cover me from heat because I'm sitting right there. So actually the driver side, it's a warm side, so all the downpipe and exhaust, it's running down there. So I will be sticking from here to probably this line to have it nicely done, and somewhere underneath as well. So I start doing this because it's gonna take me a while. It's not the easiest job. It will, so I have to do it nice and slow and make sure it's gonna be done the right way. Alright, so the job is done. I have everything covered. I cover also a little bit of tunnel, and underneath here as the ECU, it's sitting there, so we want to keep the heat away. I was actually focused so much on this that I noticed just right now it's already 10 o'clock, so it's time to go home, and I'll see you tomorrow. So it's day 3 of putting the car together. We have good progress done in last 2 days. Me and Michael are working hard in here. We have front suspension done, rear suspension done, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. And I've done this yesterday night, we can call it. It looks really good, and it's also protecting the shell from the heat in these places. In today's plan we have to put the pedal box in. I mean pedal box, 3 separate pedals. Michael probably will be doing the back of the car, which is the fuel tank. It needs to be a little bit cleaned and stuff, and it's gonna land in here, and also radiator. To put the pedals, all the pedals. Are they called pedals or what they called?
You are called gay.
Yeah, so I have them prepared. This is how I'm really excited actually about the new Wilwood clutch pedal. So I have them prepared. There's clutch, brake and throttle pedal. I keep these ones stock. And as I mentioned on the previous video, we're changing the pedal for the reason of having the all liquid or the brake fluid inside the car instead of outside the car close to the exhaust. So we will be having colder fluid, which is supposed to work better. Not sure if it's good idea or not, but the clutch pedal will be a bit higher than the brake pedal. So I want to have it a bit closer, you know. We will see if it's gonna work out, but yeah, now I'm gonna clean those bits up and I put them in the car. Dasz mi 2 trzynastki, Maciek? We have clutch pedal in already. This is my bracket. Maybe it's not the most beautiful, but it's really solid. So the clutch pedal is in place. It looks very good, and the position of it is very good as well. So all right, so I have pedals mounted already. It couldn't be any different if not broken bolt. So in freshly painted shell I had to make cutting already, and I started destroying the shell. That's not too bad, but yeah, the pedal I actually broke this bolt here. So I cut it out and I couldn't weld it behind it, so I just put the bolt and nut in it, and it's working fine. And we have brake pedal in and clutch pedal in, so that's very good. And Michael is putting our vacuum pump for the brakes. That's very helpful because I remember driving without that pump. The brake pedal was really hard on the full throttle. We have very nice progress done. So the back, it's already assembled. I think we have everything done except the lines here and the wiring, but we're leaving the wiring for last. And obviously we unlocked those fuel lines and we run them down whenever we have engine in. Inside, as I mentioned before, we have pedals, we have pump. Now I put the box for the battery. We have fire extinguisher, the plumbed one, brackets here. This one is done. At the front we have front suspension done, all subframe and everything in place. We have our servo brake booster, we can call it servo, I don't know. That's gonna go in here. But so this is gonna be the new position of the tank for the clutch pedal, for the clutch fluid, because it was here before and it was a bad place for it. So now we have it here and it's gonna be better. Good morning, it's 6:30. I am surprised with package and I think I know where it came from. I will be opening that with you later on when I bring it inside. Alright, so Michael arrived. We're gonna bring this package inside and we're gonna open with you together. I'm really curious what's inside, so I can't wait.
Go on, chap.
We brought the pallet inside and let's start unboxing, guys. Yeah, so that's correct. Amazing news. You can see behind me a pallet of amazing STROM wheels. I'm really happy that we become partners for upcoming season. I always wanted to join the STROM family, and those wheels looks actually incredible. So these are DS15s and these are DS F45s. Actually, why there is two different shape of the wheels, two different styles, because me and my team couldn't decide which one we're gonna choose. So DSF 45 suits our car and our project, which you're gonna see afterwards in future. It suits a bit better, but I like them on the other cars as well. So we decided to have these and we choose one set of these. And yeah, I'm really happy and I'm looking forward to run them for the full season, and hopefully we get very good results with STROM wheels. Thank you. We are today at Balloon Garage, which is one of our sponsors. We're gonna be putting tires on our STROM wheels there. So I brought actually two sets. One set is DS45. So I brought DS45 and also I brought DS15s. so I want to have a look how both wheels gonna looks like. And yeah, Jacob will help me because we don't want to scratch them because they're too beautiful to have a scratch. So at least if we scratch them, we're gonna scratch them at the track, but not here in the garage. So we have brand new Valinos on the front with our brand new STROM wheels. The S45s looks unreal. I'm really happy how they looks like, and I cannot wait actually when we gonna put them back on the car. We came to change the tires to our good friend and also our sponsor, Balloon Garage. This is where I'm changing the tires all the time. He's always helping us with the drifting career. Actually, this is where all my journey and drift journey starts. So this is the garage where I brought my first drift car, which is BMW 46, and he let me use actually this spot to build the car, prepare the car for first drifting events and stuff. So I'm really happy that I have friends like this. And also I'm gonna show you our old Beamer. Now belongs to Jacob. He's gonna give it a little bit of time and make her brand new again. I mean brand new. He's gonna bring that car back to life. It's our lovely 3.0 in it, which is first season of IDS here, and we're gonna have this car done at some stage and it's gonna be back on the track again. Yeah, so that's it for this video, and there's still so much stuff to learn, how to record, how to edit the videos, but I'm trying my best with my team, and we want to run the YouTube channel as best as we can. And yeah, the next video is gonna be there in next week, I hope, next weekend, and maybe week after, because I want to update you as much as possible. So thank you for watching, and I see you on the next one.